complete set of equipment for recycling and reusing waste batteries. This system has an annual processing capacity of up to 10,000 tons. The production line consists of 6 major systems: the crushing system, pyrolysis system, cooling system, exhaust gas system, crushing and sorting system, and centralized control system. Battery raw materials are conveyed by a primary belt conveyor into a two-stage crushing system for crushing, with inert gas protection implemented during the crushing process. After crushing, the materials are conveyed by a secondary belt conveyor, which is equipped with a dual protection mechanism of inert gas protection and fire suppression systems. The crushed battery materials are conveyed by the secondary belt conveyor and the feeding mechanism into the pyrolysis system for high-temperature pyrolysis treatment to decompose organic substances. The exhaust gas generated during the pyrolysis process is collected by the furnace head collection system and enters the exhaust gas treatment system, where it is professionally purified and discharged up to standard. Meanwhile, the materials after pyrolysis are conveyed by the furnace tail discharge hopper into the cooling system for cooling and temperature reduction. The cooled materials are conveyed by the discharge conveyor to the crushing and sorting system. The crushing and sorting system performs fine sorting and separation of the pyrolyzed battery materials, including primary black powder collection, secondary battery fine crushing, tertiary shell separation, quaternary black powder collection, quinary battery fine crushing, centenary black powder collection, and septenary copper and aluminum separation. All separated black powder can be collected uniformly. The production line is equipped with an intelligent control system, and the on-site equipment is equipped with a touch-screen control system. A separate control room can also be provided as needed. The production line efficiently integrates crushing, pyrolysis, cooling, exhaust gas recovery, and sorting. From raw material input to final product output, each link is closely connected with advanced technology, safety and environmental protection, high production efficiency, and efficient processing and maximum resource recovery of retired lithium batteries.
We are the solution provider for the complete system of efficient utilization of organic solid waste resources.